Hi, and welcome to Week 2 of Introduction to Educational Research in the School of Education at Colorado State University. This week we are going to learn about the two broad categories of research and about how to identify and articulate a research problem. One nice way to begin thinking about this week's topic is to take out a blank sheet of paper. Scribe the words "I wonder," and then fill in that stem. What are you curious about? What has piqued your curiosity in the last several years? You might find the answer to this curiosity in multiple ways, and that's what we're going to learn about this week. There are two broad categories of research that you will be introduced to. The first is quantitative research. Quantitative research lives in the world of numbers. Numbers used to describe and explain. Quantitative research seeks breadth. It seeks to be generalizable across a broad variety of people, places, and situations. The second category of research is qualitative research. And qualitative research lives in the world of language. Now, this doesn't mean language just written or spoken language, although that is a big part of qualitative research. Qualitative research might also include descriptors that you use when viewing pictures or videos or other types of documents or archival information. Qualitative research tends to study a few people or one setting and look deeply into an experience or phenomenon. Qualitative research has its strength in transferability. It is important in qualitative research that the consumer of your research be able to identify what parts of your research are relevant to their practice and their experience. The second part of this week's content is related to identifying and articulating a research problem. Research problems are different than research topics. Research problems are more specific. They seek to find an answer. Research problems have to possess certain characteristics. They must be important to your field or to the literature. They must be researchable. You must be able to find an answer somehow. And it must be feasible within your scope of expertise, your time, and your budget. There are two kinds of research problems that you will be introduced to this week, and it's important to, articulate them here. The first is a practical-based problem. Practical-based problems arise from your experience as a professional in the field, or from, curiosities that your peers might have. You learn from them. Study-based problems arise from gaps in the literature, or past research that doesn't quite answer the question in the way that you are asking it, or that you would like it to be answered. I hope that you enjoy the material from this week, and remember, keep in touch.